Sliding, I think, is one of the most beneficial play events on a playground from a childhood development standpoint. From the physical standpoint, they really have to work on balance and coordination and holding themselves upright, using their core, or trying to speed themselves up when they're heading down the slides. The roller slide has a really unique sensory experience to it.
The feeling that you get, the vibration as you're riding over the rollers, and something that will surprise the kids the first time they go down it.
Whenever we're developing new products, we're really seeking to develop products that can fit for everyone. We watch kids with an older brother and a younger sister ride down together. A couple of kids of varying abilities riding down together. They get a great sensory experience, but it also really opens, from a universal design standpoint, something pretty unique on the play space. Burke's all new slides. This is play that moves me.